What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
So this week we made a new friend and her name is Aurelie. She reached out to us because she is super passionate about eating healthy and saving money by cooking at home. So she wanted us to test out one of her recipes. So we are going to be making a healthier alternative to the classic chicken nuggets and french fries by making turkey nuggets and veggies.
We're gonna start with our turkey meat. We're gonna season it with some Tony's, salt and pepper, and we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. So what's really cool about Aurelie's recipes is that she gives you the blank canvas, kind of the basics and everything that you need to make the recipe, and then she invites you to make it your own. So of course we're doing Tony's to make it our own, and then we're gonna add a little Parmesan, mix these up, and turn them into little nuggets. All right, so the meat's all mixed together, so we're gonna coat them in breadcrumbs, and then we'll cook them in a minute once we've got them all formed. All right, we got our pan nice and hot, so we're gonna go ahead and start cooking these. Turkey does cook pretty quick, so it will only take about a minute or two on each side.
So while the nuggets are cooking, I'm gonna get started on our veggies. So I'm gonna spiralize these into noodles. If you don't have a spiralizer, you can use a potato peeler to just peel the veggies into strips. All right, so we are going to get started on our veggies. We just have some olive oil in our pan that we let heat up. And we are just going to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. We're gonna keep this side dish a little simple. Good job. Oh, put it back. Good cooking, Bubba. All right, so we're ready to taste ours. I'm gonna dip my nuggets in barbecue sauce and ketchup. But you can feel free to use whatever sauces you would like.
See, and I made a spicy mayo sauce that I'm gonna dip mine in, and we're looking forward to it.
You want some ketchup, little guy? Want some? Oh. All right, taste test. I'm gonna go with barbecue first. These are good.
Yeah, it turned out really, really good.
And you don't even have to bread them if you don't want to. If you want to be extra healthy, you can just omit the breading and do just the turkey itself. Is it yummy?
A little spicy. The veggies turned out awesome. We just cooked them for about a minute, so they still have a crunch to it, but they're cooked enough to where it's easy to eat. I'll try some. Thanks for watching, guys.
And we will let you know when Aurelie comes out with her cookbook. So thanks, Aurelie, for the recipe.
Say bye, buddy. Bye.